Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Blessings upon blessings upon blessings to all my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno Nosia, one and only Atafa the Press. Well, my wisdom warriors. There's a few things I want to cover today. But first, we're going to start off with the cartel situation. Because I don't like the way all the judge behave. You understand? So I have to come on a fire. I don't like it. Because I don't understand the judge them. I just don't understand the judge them. If the liar them attack, what the judge they need for do? Then wait till the liar them done finish. You understand? All them do then write down them points. And when the liar them done talk, then they can address them. But when the liar them attack, you're not supposed to interrupt them. Members of them say their voice can't be heard, So to me, I just feel like say they just want attack for talk's sake because they know so the people them in the courthouse are gonna bring it out. Them something me not right. So my wisdom warriors, according to the article, one of the attorneys representing Vybz Cartel and his 3 co-accused has urged the court to carefully consider how the recall of potential witnesses in the murder trial may be affected by the length of time that has elapsed since the original case against the men ended in 2014. John Clark, who represents Kahira Jones, asked the 3-judge panel to consider how the matter of witness availability would jeopardize the ability of Adidja Palmer, Sean Campbell, Andre St. John, and his client to receive a fair retrial. The men's attorneys are urging the court to set them free in the interest of justice. You know what, boy, Jano. Clark told the judges that witnesses may be unavailable. Their memories may have become hazy or they may be dead. He says such a possibility makes it undesirable to subject the men to a retrial. Lord Jesus, Clark told the judges that witnesses, when I hear this apart of my wisdom warriors, Clark told the judges that witnesses may be unavailable. Their memories may have become hazy or they may be dead. He says such a possibility makes it undesirable to subject the men to a retrial. Lord Jesus, I want to hear all them something I know. My wisdom warriors, for me, I just feel like the judge then just want to long out this. I remember them say them voice can't be heard. You understand? There is like they don't have no voice outside because people criticize them and stuff like that and their voice can't be heard. So guess what now? When I see them in a courthouse and then the liar attack and them interrupt and I said don't go there. Then have to stop the foolishness. Only is a judge. Only not do that. Make him liar them don't talk. You understand? It is a right way to do things. It is a more principled way of doing things. We wait till the liars them don't talk. After they don't talk, then you can say what you say. If they must say something, you not stop them in a then track and I say, no, don't go there and all them something there. That don't make no sense. My wisdom warriors, want to tell me what to think about this because to me, I feel like them just are going to delay the whole thing. Because the type, listen, I just think that them are going to delay it. You understand? Now that me think them are just a delay and a long it out. Boy, then terribly, I don't know why Privy Council send them back. I don't know why Privy Council do that, I don't know why Privy Council send it back for Jamaica deal with it. And they know how Jamaica corrupt. Seriously, man, this is not nice. But my wisdom warriors, want to tell me how to feel about this. Tell me what to think about it and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, I have a piece of hot claps to drop on. So Uno no know say Lisa stand up in a House of Parliament. And when me telling us Lisa Anna stand up. When me telling us Lisa Anna stand right up. Take in Lisa Anna.
Law, rape is defined as a man committing the offense if he has sexual intercourse with a woman without her consent or knowing that she does not consent or reckless disregard for her consenting. And whereas in our Sexual Offences Act, sexual intercourse is defined as the entrance of the penis to the vagina only. And whereas if the same man uses an implement or any other body part to penetrate her vagina, mouth, or anus, it is considered grievous sexual assault. Or if he uses his penis to penetrate anywhere else on her other than her vagina, he may not be technically charged for rape in Jamaica.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear that? Wanna hear what she just said? Lord, me telling about Jamaica? Listen more.
But rather grievous sexual assault. And whereas in our law, it is only a man that can rape a woman, and a man cannot experience rape in Jamaica, whether by a man or by a woman, which is presenting a legislative dilemma, creating inequitable legal consequences surrounding how we treat rape in Jamaica. And whereas, because our legal definitions have been unchanged for centuries, many boys and men who have been or are being raped and sexually abused by men and women, or men, continue to suffer in silence and don't come forward out of fear of being stigmatized or thrown in jail, even though they are the victims.
My wisdom warrior, a true she attack, you know? A true she attack. I want to see how the system set up. Want to see how the system set up. You know, so they need to review the whole of this.
Be it resolved that we acknowledge and confront the fact that many of our boys and men are raped and continue to be raped, and change the law to give them redress and equality in our treatment of men and women in Jamaica. And be it resolved that we modify our legal definition of sexual intercourse to make the act of rape in Jamaica gender neutral. May it please you, Madam Speaker.
Madam Speaker, I'm seeking some clarity.
What kind of clarity he must seek, eh? What kind of clarity they must seek? My wisdom warriors, they need to go over all of them act what they have. They need to go up because it is not fair. It is not, you know, so you have man, man rape man, you know, and man rape little boys too. So me not understand. And woman rape too. Woman rape woman too. And man too, Lord Jesus. Me don't know how they would do the part there with the woman and rape the man. Me not really know. But the woman rape little pitney. You understand? They rape little pitney, little boy pitney, little girl pitney. That is rape. That is rape. So them need to look back upon them act. You understand me? Them need to look into them act. And then again, I'm taking this time out to ask the government of Jamaica, the Justice Minister, Delroy Chuck, you need to release the sex offenders registry. Time ago, you need to release it, and the time is now. If you say you love Jamaica and you want to save the children of the future, you need to release it, because we have all right to know who a rape a boy from who and a rape a boy. If a boy come in our community and if a girl come in our community and rape before, we need to be aware of all the rape a boy them about the place. You understand me, my wisdom warriors? If you don't agree, you just say agree there. You just say agree, because seriously, it come like Delroy Chuck and Andrew Holness. All I see them come out at the conference. You know, hear them mention nothing. And me not see Nationwide, me not see TVJ, me not see Radio Jamaica, me not see the whole of them a plaster this and a stain up this in a them article. We want to see something like this every day. The sex offender registry need to be public. They need to stain up that all over social media. But no, them I think about Mark Golden dual citizenship. Me I tell you no, like, which one is more important? Mark Golden dual citizenship or the children of Jamaica? Which one more important? You come like, oh no, no sense. Me not understand, oh no. Sometimes I really wonder. Me have to really wonder if something wrong with them. Because something important like this, you not see the media run with it. If you do see them run with it one time or two times, remember they done with it and gone for Mark Golden dual citizenship. But me not understand how una de for Mark Golden citizenship and una left out Andrew Holness pledge allegiance to the king. How not left out that the part there? Mark Golding never take no oath, you know. Mark Golding never take no oath. Andrew Holness are the one who take oath. And that the whole one if come out and plaster. Andrew Holness was the one that don't sign the code of conduct. Andrew Holness is the one that break the laws, the constitution law. Andrew Holness is the one that not declaring asset. And them is something I want to have on social media. John, no, sometimes I have to really wonder what Jamaica turn into. Me have to really wonder. Me know say turn into a laughing stock, but lad man, seriously man, you fi do better. You fi do better. My wisdom warriors, you tell me how you feel about this. Seriously. God no. You just come in the comment section and start it up. Because as I said to you guys before, sometimes me use on a comment and me put it all over. Maybe if you go up on my IG, you will say somehow no comment. Somehow no name me cross it out because I know everybody want their name for sure. Some people name I don't. Me just cross out one little part. So people can't really identify who is who. You understand? But if you know no problem because from you bring it in the comment section, you know say anybody can take it and use it. So what I do, me just tag Christopher Tufton and me will tag Andrew Holness and make them see what go on. So anything you want the government to do. Anything I don't want Mark Golding to do, you just write it in the comment section. Me will tag them and post it, all right? Anyway, my wisdom warriors, hear this. So my wisdom warriors, see who me buck up in the article pan. You just look at who me buck up pan in the article. Lord Jesus. A long time him not see film picture all over, Long time. So he come now because he ready. He ready now. He ready. So you know say Finance Minister promised legislation to protect. Listen. Me have to laugh, Nigel Clark come out and say him a promise the legislation to protect taxpayers from paying for failed financial institution. You hear this a knucklehead man? I listen to him? Nigel Clark, I can reassure the Jamaican people that taxpayer money is going to be protected. You know what? Nigel Clark, go sit down. Because you see him when I release the money. Go sit down. Come in and know what happened to you. So the Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clark, says legislation is to be introduced to protect taxpayers from footing the bill for failed financial institution. You know what you're supposed to do? You see the Procurement Act? You see the Procurement Act, you need to review the Procurement Act. Yes, you need to change it up. And that you need to do. Change it up. Review, you need to review it. So I don't know why you talk about introduce legislation, pure rubbish on attack. Because you still got to introduce something and still put something in the one you want to put in there. We don't want that. We want to review the Procurement Act. And that we want. Because of the Procurement Act, I make we, the taxpayer, don't know who the taxpayer money I go to. You understand me? And the Jamaican people have all right. Anyway, Dr. Clark says, at present, the regulatory framework stops short of recognizing that property rights of shareholders of failed financial institutions have to be subordinated to the society's right for a stable financial system. Yeah? You hear what I'm saying? Dr. Clark has said, at present, the regulatory framework stops. Hear that? Stop short of recognizing. So really and truly, there is no regulation in place. There is no. What really are going with Uno? So what make gonna stop it? What make gonna stop recognizing property rights? You know what? Seriously, me can't understand Uno. You know say Uno really worthless. Uno say Uno bright and Uno intelligent, but Uno not put nothing in place for the Jamaican people. Nothing. You know what? Uno set everything so you can rob, thief, get rich, thief. Hey, a full time. We need to put a stop into this. Too much is going on. And the same person, my wisdom warriors, we always make money going missing. And the same person I can reassure we. How I gonna trust them? Uno trust them? My wisdom warrior. Wanna just storm up the comment section and make me know if you not trust all Nigel Clark. Wanna see him face? I tell you say a long time you know see him picture all over social media. So him feel some type of way so him come out now and chat rubbish. Yeah? Him a chat rubbish. Him ready for some blast. This man, this is what they do. Nigel Clark, I tell you, say you have to go to prison. You have to go to prison. Because what una do, you stay there. You think You know what? Me they go say something about me hold my mouth. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about this. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can support my movement by blessing up my PayPal. The link I got there in the comment section. Bless up on a nice clean self. One love.